let me tell you guys something. Yes, this is Boohoo and I spent almost $200, but this is not a sponsored video. I'm not sponsored yet, but Boohoo, I'm coming for you and I will get my sponsorship. Y'all think I'm playing? I done messaged y'all. I will get it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Lene. For those of you who are new, for those of you who aren't new, welcome back. Make sure you subscribe. I know the quality is a little bit different today. It's because I messed up my camera somehow, some way. So I'm in the process of trying to get it repaired. So for now, we're rocking with my iPhone 8. So in today's video is going to be a Boohoo try-on haul. I did about $200 worth of merchandise this time, but thankfully I had won a contest with Boohoo, so they gave me a $30 voucher which I decided to use. So in total I spent about $170. Yeah, it was for their Black Friday sale and I went a little too crazy. As I'm showing you guys the clothes that I bought, I am going to be putting up the picture of what it looks like on Boohoo. So we're gonna see what all that money went to. Okay, since I'm lazy, the first thing that we're going to be trying on is the pants. And one thing that you should know about buying from Boohoo is it is a UK based store, so the sizes are a little bit wonky. So if you're a 14 like me in pants, you're gonna want to order a 12 or a 10 in pants because the UK sizes are 2 sizes bigger. The first pants that I got were these mom jeans, and they are a little baggy at the crotch, but the butt is pretty good. I actually like them. They're not that bad. I feel as though I can finesse these. They do come up pretty high on my waist, but you know, they're mom jeans, so I feel as though they're okay. It's just like this part is really baggy. So yeah, hopefully I can finesse this. But yeah, this is the first time I ever bought jeans online, and they're really good material. Like, they're thick, so you know, when you have thick thighs, then when you rub them together, they're not going to rip easily. You're going to be able to wear these for a while. Okay, so the next thing I got were these trousers, and they're also a bit baggy. They also come up high on my waist. It is a lot of room here, like you see, but my butt does look nice. I just have to finesse it. I'll figure it out. What do you guys think? Think I should trash it or keep it? It's a little too late to trash it. Okay, and the last pair of bottoms that I got were these biker shorts. Okay, I'm really happy with these because the last time I got them, they came all the way up here because I got the wrong size. So I think these are a size 16, which I actually got a size 12 or 14, I believe. But yeah, they fit a lot nicer, you know, you feel me? They feel a lot nicer, a lot cuter. Biker shorts, because I guess that's like the new thing now or whatever, biker shorts. But yeah, I really like these. They're really cute. So now we're moving on to the shirts. This is like a off-the-shoulder sweatshirt, and it has like elastic at the bottom so that it hugs your waist. I probably would do like this because I don't like that shows like this, and I don't know if my shoulders are too broad, but when it comes to like getting to be a real, I don't know if it's supposed to be like OD off the shoulder, but it's just like giving you a little hint. It's very soft. The inside, very soft. It's very cozy. Definitely not something you're going to wear in the summer because I'm hot right now in my room, which I think that's cute. That is cute. So this is another shirt that I got. It's oh, can you see my bra? Sorry about that. That lets you know that it is a thinner material. It doesn't feel cheap, but it is thinner, which is okay because when I wear sweaters, I don't like it to be so warm, so that way I can layer it because I do get hot easily. But I like this shirt. It's pretty long, so I probably would tuck it in. It's warm, it's cute. This is like one of my favorite colors. This is more fall-y, but I can make it work. I don't have that much of a neck, but hey, this makes it seem like there's something there to hide. So if you're wearing a turtleneck, then like, oh, she must have some neck to hide. Okay, so the last two shirts that I got are bodysuits, and as you can see my bra that this is a thinner material, but I do like the color. I do like the feel. It's not like super soft inside, but it's not an itchy material. It is ribbed, so you know, you can see the lines and everything. This is like a fake turtleneck or whatever. Green is my favorite color, so you know I had to get some green, okay? I tell you, you really gotta wear the right bras with some of these. Okay, this shirt is very, very thin. I do like how it exposes the shoulder, it exposes the chest or whatever. You probably could wear a cute push-up bra and like pull it down a little bit. This is also a bodysuit. Well, guys, that wraps up all the shirts that I bought. So now we go into the dresses, and I did get quite a few dresses. These bra straps really ain't doing nothing justice. Okay, this dress is actually pretty cute. I really like it. It is an off-the-shoulder black dress. I ordered a size 14, and this is a size 18 UK size. So you guys see how you gotta be careful with how you pick your clothes. It has you can do a little Angelina slit right there. It's really cute. I like this dress. It's very cute. So this is the next dress that I got. I really like this dress. I really like the color. But I like how fitted this dress is. I like how the color goes with my skin tone. And I like that it's closed at the bottom. What I mean by closed is that like in the back it's not going to flare up. You know, it's hugging my legs. It looks like a cute little sundress, but it's not. It's a thicker material. The inside is like softer padding, so it's like insulated. Let me know what you think about this dress. I like this dress. I liked it because on the model it just looks so fitted and cute, and these are also one of my favorite colors. But yeah, I don't like at the bottom how it's not hugged to my legs. I don't like that, but I do like, I think it's because it has a little slit right here, which I think is cute. I don't really know about this dress. I might give it to somebody else. I don't know. What do you guys think? This is one of my favorite dresses that I bought. It's like a halter turtleneck kind of dress. It's very light. It's a lot of side boob going on. As you can see, I love the color on me. It's very like, I feel very regal in this dress. Hey, how you doing? Definitely easy to dress up. You know, this is looking right. And it's closed at the bottom, which, you know, I love. I ordered this in a size 12, and in UK size is a size 16. So I know you're probably like, Mary, 12 to 16, the difference is 4. But on Boohoo's website, they offer 12, 14 to 16. So it's 2 sizes up when you're ordering it, okay? I know I'm not the best at math, but I'm not that slow. I don't know what I was thinking with this dress, but I know this wasn't what I was thinking. This is so thin and so sheer. What do you wear under it? What? I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this. Like, this is a nightgown for me. I would wear this to sleep. This is the last but not the least dress. When I first tried this on in November, I was like, no, I don't like how this dress looks. But now that I have it on, I kind of like it. Like, this isn't true red. It's like a weird fuchsia red. I feel very regal in this. Like, welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Okay, guys, and the last thing I got were these cute Chelsea boots. And I've never had Chelsea boots before, so I said I might as well get some now. So I like these boots a lot. I definitely can wear them with some cute jeans. They kind of look like socks when I'm not looking directly in the camera. Don't look at my hair and my legs. But yeah, guys, that is the end of my try-on haul. Now, I will say I did buy green oversized sweatpants, And again, I got the wrong size, so they came up to like right under my boobs, so I had to give them to my friend because of course it looked a lot better on her. But when you're ordering from Boohoo, you just have to be, or any UK site or any site that's not from the US, you definitely have to be careful about the size that you're buying. Definitely look at the size guide and make sure you fully understand it, because the clothes size guide and the shoe size guide are completely different. The shoes are usually 2 sizes smaller than what you order, and the clothes are usually 2 sizes bigger than what you order. It's so confusing and it don't make no sense, but in the end you're gonna get some really good clothes. Thank you guys so much for watching this try on haul. Make sure you guys let me know which outfits you think I should keep, which outfits you think I should trash. I'll listen, maybe. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Okay guys, so the winner of the giveaway was XOXO Yams. I did the winner's wheel, so I put everybody's ad name in a circle and it picked randomly. Thank you guys so much for participating in my first giveaway. There will be so many more coming in the future, so make sure you check that out. Thank you guys so much for participating, and I will see you next week.